Today we're trying Sumac Lemonade. I have sumac trees in my yard. I have wanted to harvest the sumacs since we moved in over 9 years ago, and I never got a chance to. So today we're gonna try to make sumac lemonade. So we had a big windstorm that knocked down our sumac trees. I'm gonna take this opportunity to take these before they die. What I've learned is this is called a Staghorn Sumac because the stems have the fuzziness, kind of looks like a stag's horn. This is edible, really high in vitamin C. And I've learned that the Native Americans used it so they could keep their vitamin C throughout the winter. We're gonna take the berries off of the stem and put it into the big bowl. We're gonna do about 2.5 cups. We're guesstimating that each of the, what are these called? Staghorns? Each of the staghorns will have about a cup of berries. We'll see. Now we pour in 8 cups of water. Now we're supposed to agitate it with a whisk. We're gonna throw in the fridge for at least a day and we'll stir randomly throughout that day. I'm going to attempt to strain out the berries into the mason jar. I'm just gonna start with a slatted spoon and strain out the bulk of it because I think it'll make it easier. And I have a coffee filter here in a wide mouth mason jar to try and strain out the rest. Got the big chunks out and now I'm going to attempt to not pour it all over the sink and get it into the mason jar. Oh,
that was pretty good.
Yeah, now it's just falling in. So
little bits at a time.
Now that I have strained out all of the extra out of this, I am going to pour it into an ice cup and see how it tastes. Yeah, it's just a very mild citrusy flavor, but it just tastes like a water, really, like a slightly citrusy water, almost like you have a little bit of lemon to it.
I mean, I think that's pretty good. Like a really mild strawberry lemonade. Like there's a hint of the sweetness, but you still get the citrus. Like it's mild like a tea, but I can taste it. I don't think that's bad. I do think that maybe it's got a better season where it's more ripe, like especially when it's not raining as much. But this is, I don't know, I like it.
If you like videos like this, like, subscribe, comment. We make videos like this each week.